nectar of life. Hey, I'm Melissa Astra. I'm here today and I'm going to show you what my food prep looks like. So this video isn't meant as a recipe video. It's meant to show you how I personally do food prep and how I cut down my food costs and food waste, and how I grocery shop going towards zero waste. So let's begin. So the first thing that I do before I even go grocery shopping is I prep for my meal. So usually what I do is I think about what I have extra in my fridge. So I actually have some tomatoes that were going bad. I froze them. So I will use those as a base. I wanted to do something that was pretty easy, pretty simple to make. So I wanted to do something in the crock pot. We recently got a crock pot and I haven't used it that much. So I wanted to try a new recipe. So this one's a ratatouille. We'll also be eating rice with it, which will be super easy to prepare. Later in the week as well, I will be making a bamboo stir fry. But those vegetables are still in the fridge. The reason I decided to do the ratatouille first is because I went to the grocery store and I got this satellite plant. I don't know if you can tell, but it's a little bruised, it's a little sad. So I decided to make the ratatouille first so it wouldn't go bad. Now when we do go grocery shopping, we do have reusable shopping bags, but also reusable produce bags. So if I'm picking up carrots or whatever, I put them in the reusable produce bags. They just get weighed like the normal bags. I don't think that they weigh anything extra, so there's no concern there. Even if it is, it's, you know, minuscule. It's maybe a couple of pennies, and I'm fine to sacrifice the pennies on the behalf of our dear planet. The other thing that I do to reduce food waste, is just get what I need. Instead of getting a big bag of carrots, I just get 2 carrots because I know that's all I'm gonna need for this recipe. One thing that I wasn't able to avoid this time is the produce stickers. So the peppers and the eggplant both have produce stickers, and if you don't know, those actually can't be recycled, they can't be composted, they just end up in the landfill. So they're totally not necessary. You know, the guy knew that when we went up, he knew the number for the eggplant already off the top of his head. And if they don't know it, they can just check the scrolly things, right? So anyway, totally a waste. Actually, when we go to our normal grocery store, I pick through all of the produce to find the ones without the stickers, because usually they don't all have stickers, and that's how I pick them out. If you can go to a farmer's market, and I think in the summer, me and my partner will start going to the farmer's market, we'll get our produce there, and then we don't have to worry about produce stickers. But sometimes it's just not avoidable. The other thing I did last night is I prepped my romaine lettuce. So this is just a head of romaine lettuce. I spin it in my salad spinner, which I absolutely love. One of my favorite kitchen gadgets. And then I just dried it, like with the spinner, and then put it in a container with a piece of paper. Oh, it's even moist. Check that out. Better yet, instead of using paper towel, is a piece of cotton or something like that, so you're not wasting the paper towel. So me and my partner have salads every day, so this prep is really great. And if you have any tips on how to keep lettuce fresh, let me know, because this only lasts a couple of days. I don't like prepping salad. I used to always get those plastic salad, not plastic salads. That would be weird. It's like I'm eating lunch with my nieces all over again and eating their plastic salads. I really like buying the plastic pre-made salads with the packaged salad dressing and the packaged like nuts and the packaged cheese and all of that stuff. But it's not very environmental, so I stopped getting them. So I started prepping my lettuce and salads separately. I'm also going to be making little energy balls, because Jake and I eat them a lot. I'm eating mainly a plant-based diet right now, so I'm a little bit concerned that I'm not getting enough calories. So I like eating them because the main ingredient is peanut butter and there's lots of calories in that. Yeah, so I'll be making those as well. I think that's it. So without further ado, here is a lovely time-lapse video. If I can figure out how to do that. Cheers. Here because my battery is about to die. Clearly I can't record everything, but it's only been about 26 minutes. So it was 6 minutes to chop all of this, and then the rest was just running around the kitchen. So all I'm gonna do is cook the rice. Rice is super easy, it's just on a pot. It takes about 40 minutes. I put in some vegetable like broth stuff, flavoring, so that the rice has a nice flavor. I'm just literally gonna plunk all of this into the crock pot with some flavoring, some tomato, and just cook it. That's it. There's nothing special about this. These, they're getting rolled into balls and getting put in the fridge so that they get hard. I might dip them in dark chocolate, but we'll see. And that's it. And here's the finished product. That's the ratatouille and the rice, and then salad with some nuts and artichoke hearts and oil and balsamic vinegar. And this is the dessert. I did end up dipping it in chocolate, and that's dark chocolate, so that's still vegan. It's a completely vegan meal, totally not intentionally. Whatever, it works out. And this is what I don't know if this is ratatouille now, it's more like a stew. But anyway, this is what it looks like. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want similar videos. I do videos about my plant-based transition, as well as zero waste living, and a bunch of different things. So please subscribe if you like the video, if you have any comments or questions or any suggestions for videos.